Hi, Brian Duncan from MarineMax New York, out here on this lovely 10-degree day. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of the 275 Scout. This boat is equipped with the Yamaha Power Twin 200s. Has a ski tow bar, live well in the corner, live well on both sides. 2 live wells for a 27-foot. Pop-up cleats. You have 3 fold-away seats in the cockpit, so this being the rear seat, folds out, folds back for fishing. And you notice how far the transom is recessed in the boat. This whole wall will actually fold down so we can get in and out of the boat. That's what gives you the second live well by not having a transom door. So you have a fold-out seat on both sides, port and starboard. Okay, this one's closed, this one's open, just to show you how they operate. These seats will fold up. Gives you 2 additional seats when these are folded in. If you're doing a little fishing, you want to sit and relax for a while. One nice touch is the rod holders built right into the arch. Normally you have the big aluminum welded frame. That's a much neater, nicer look. Cup holders built right into the arch also. Your speakers are molded right into the hard top. You do have a grab rail to hold on to, so if you're running along and you're hitting boat wakes, you have something to hold on to. Moving forward, you have a fridge in the cockpit, a little cutting board, wash sink. You can wash your hands on a 10-degree day. 2 storage lockers, drawers, pull out. Your tackle, put your grill equipment. Nice captain chair, fold down armrest, bolster. Comes with the Garmin screen. This boat's equipped with electronics, with the Fusion radio. Stainless steel cap on the windshield, real nice touch. Gives it a nice rich look. Compass. Same on the port side. It's got a head with a vacuum flush. And a wash sink, Corian counter, wood floor, a nicely finished head in the boat. And it's tall. You don't have to crawl in. You can see the height. Going forward, you're very deep in the boat. I'm 6 foot tall. You can see it's up to my elbow. Same thing up in the bow. When the family's sitting up in the bow, you're sitting very deep inside the boat. It's cocktail hour. You can put your little table out. How nice and easy is that? No wobbly pole or anything. Windlass is recessed below the hatch here. Once again, for more pop-up cleats. And a big thing that people really love about these Scouts, including myself, is the upholstery. They do a beautiful job with the finish work, all double stitched. Quality of the vinyl is superior to anything I've seen in any other boat. And that about sums it up.